Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Well, it's been a long time ago since I made a video, but this time it goes about cable stripping and copper. You know, like these wires. These big fat ones. I think it is 20 millimeters. So we got some nice bit of copper in there. Even those contains a lot of copper, and also this one, yeah, it's yeah, fifth bits, also worth a lot of money. This cable is not worth stripping it because, you know, look at the size of it. It's too small. You being too long busy before you get any copper out of it. So what I just did is just throw that in one pile and just sell the clean copper to the scrap. I even sell this. What this brings me up to €2.50 in a Peruvian money. How do you call it? You Americans call it dollars, but yeah. Even still over here, I got some brass. Another lead ancient accu. Plumbum. Here you got all the scrap metal, like where two cables come together and just get in what is it? How do you call this in English? I'm off. Sorry that I don't pronounce words any good, but just a little bit of scrap material, which is going to deliver me up and about 20 cents per kilo. Now, even you can throw these things in, these old ones. You know, these ones which are in your breakers. You can also deliver these bigger ones. There's also copper in there, but it ain't the it's not worth it to get all the copper out of it. So I just throw that in one pile, get 20 cents per kilo. The accu, the lead battery, delivers me, I think it weighs 20 kilos, so that is €20. A bit of brass, not much worth of it, but there will come more. Even over here, yeah, this is the best bit. This is the clean copper. This is pay copper. This is it brings you up to €7.50, if I tell it good. So that's a full bag is like 10 kilos. It's like €70. And what do we got here? Yeah, this, you all know these things. Some pipes, copper pipes. Now you got like, you know it. What you need in heating systems to heat up your water. Look, I just used them to put the pipes in, the copper pipes. Kijk, here you got another sample of it. But it's handy to keep the pipes in and deliver it straight to the old iron the guy who deals with the rest of it. Yeah, but that's my kind of hobby. Just stripping wires and selling them for good prices. You know, the copper prices are high. We got still a lot of wire to do, and there's a lot more coming in. But yeah, just yeah, because I'm not updated the videos on my channel. I like to give you an update on how it's going and yeah, just showing you what I'm doing right now. Just scrap metal. So you will see some videos about scrap metal and yeah, just electricity, how it works, and I'm beginning to yeah, get used to it to pick my channel back up. Um, yeah, this is my stripping machine. The wires are coming through here, getting out through here, falling down here. What the best part is, you don't have to do it with a knife. Let me just explain it to you, if I could. Look, you can easily get the copper out of it, because normally these auto shells are extremely hard. Even if they lay in the ground, they get hardened, however you call it, but you understand me. But the blade is cutting through everything, and yeah, that's this blade here. That's a video blade. It's like a kind of diamond blade. This machine cost me about, comes from Poland, 130 euros. Oh, and then I'm feeling onto the chair, or onto the couch. Look at that. MSW, best product you can ever get. You can get them online on yeah, what website was it? Like yeah, I just go on Google and I just found the wire stripper from MSW Moter technichs. You know, if you want a kind of stripper, buy this one. It's the best kind of stripper you can buy. You can even get the ones which are getting electricity motor attached to it. And yeah, these are a lot better, but a bit expensive. These cost about 600 to 800 euros. But yeah, this for me is this doable. You know, I can turn with the hand, and that will do for me. I also can have an option to pull this thing off and get a power tool to it, and the power tool will do the rest of the job, but I don't have to turn this. Yeah, it's a product I would yeah, I would say you should buy one, because this is perfect. Normally, which I do, is I take the knife and I just get stripping all these wires like this. Now, I can tell you, you get in your hands, it's gone alright. Or you cut yourself in the fingers, which is probably happened about me, on me, I think 10 times. When I was that on the look on the internet, and then I found this big machine, and I thought maybe I'll give it a try, but yeah, it's a good machine. In the beginning, you need to just to know how it's working, because the wire gets uh, around the blade, and you just have to get the feeling for it. But anyway, it's a nice product called B MSW. That's the producer over there. This one is from 2018. These come from Poland, and yeah, the Polish guys always make good stuff. Even the fireworks are good of it. But that's another story. Um, yeah, but as you can see, it strips it nice and clean. Even the hard shell gray wires, which are normally too hard to strip with a knife, is cutting through it, because all of this motherfucking diamond blade. I don't know if it's visible diamond or I think it's VDR, but yeah, but the blade wouldn't get stumpy. Sorry about my bad English, but I'm trying to explain it in English, but I'm not an English guy. I'm just a Dutch guy. Yeah, I just wanted to show you it. Maybe I do have a. Yeah, I also do. I do a shot when I take the wires out and strip them together and put them in this beautiful baggie over there. And even when we go to the metal department where we can sell the stuff, I asked them if I could film it, so you get an impressive how it's working, how the process is working further on, because I've got metal here. What's it gonna do about it? Are they just going to take it and throw it away? I think not. All this copper gets recycled. And I want to take you to a metal factory or department or whatever you call it in Zwolle. And if you're there, then I put up a second video. So yeah, that's my hobby for the kind of today. Just stripping all these wires, and yeah, I just need to peel it off. I got my baggie over there where I can throw the rubbish in. Because if you are doing this, you get a lot of rubbish, but the results are amazing. Just take a look. Take a look at these beautiful wires. Oh, yeah, I can't. Every day if I stand up out of bed, I just need to touch these wires, because then the day is good. And even these lead ancient batteries they are a lot worth of money, because the copper prices are and the lead prices and everything is going up high because of the corona crisis. Yeah, that's why I wouldn't sell for much, but it's going to be €2. It's about €7.50 per kilos. And this is scrap, this 20 cents per kilo. Lead batteries are now €1, I think, maybe 2. Don't know for sure. But yeah, that thing that weighs more than 30 kilos, so that's €30. And we got here some beautiful pieces of copper around. Look, you already know these. These are from geysers. I don't know how you call the word geyser in English, but these things who heat the shower up, which you hang on the wall. Sorry, I'm a Dutch guy, so I'm trying to speak English to let you understand all what I'm doing. But there will come some copper more in here, and I will strip further on. I'm just going to make a shot when I'm stripping with that machine over there, and you will see what happened, how fast that thing goes. Yeah, let's do that.